Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a home insurance quote with Amica step by step clearly. To start the process of building a home insurance quote with Amica, visit the Amica website. Look for the Get a Quote button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on the Get a Quote button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your zip code. Input your zip code and click Next to move forward. Next, you will be asked for some basic information about your home. Provide details such as the type of dwelling you own. Indicate whether it is a single-family home, condominium, or townhouse. You will also need to specify the year your home was built. After entering the dwelling details, Amica will ask about the coverage options. Think about the amount of coverage you need for your dwelling. Consider how much personal property protection you require. You may also want to explore additional coverage options, such as liability protection. Next, fill in your information, including your name, address, and contact details. Make sure to provide accurate information for a more precise quote. Once you have completed your personal details, review your information for any errors. After confirming your details, proceed to the quote summary page. This page will show a breakdown of your coverage and estimated costs. Take your time to review this summary carefully. If you want to adjust your coverage, you can go back and make changes. Once you are satisfied with the quote, you can proceed to finalize your application. Fill out any further required information to complete the application process. Finally, submit your application and wait for Amica to process your quote. You will receive your home insurance quote via email or on screen shortly. Congratulations, you have successfully built a home insurance quote with Amica. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.